Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to we're gonna attempt and we're gonna do our best to make a chatbot. This is for institutional purposes only. This is kind of like a tutorial because I'll be documenting my way, my journey of discovering how to create a chatbot that can actually functionally respond, using Telegram. Now let's get started. I have signed up yesterday in ChatRace website. So if ChatRace is an alternative for Python or JavaScript. So instead of using those, ChatRace is a website used to allow users to build chatbots or bots with little to no coding. And there are also other alternatives like ManyChat, ChatFuel, or Tars. Now, I already have signed up and I'm connecting my bot to Telegram. I first went into BotFather. There you see BotFather. Just enter there, and after searching up BotFather, there you can see I did a start, and there it has given me options and where to start. And to create your bot, you first here create new bot, and I long press that to copy and paste there, new bot. And choose for a name, we choose 5 Marias. Actually, I'm just gonna change that later. Now it's 5 Marias. Yeah, okay. So a symbol is invalid. So I literally wrote 5 Marias. Okay.
And now after you created your new bot, BotFather will give you a API token that you need to copy and paste, and be sure not to give this token to other people so that they'll not have an access to your account.
After you ask for the API token, you copy it and then paste it into the chat race when asked. And now after you have copy pasted the API token, you can now proceed to customize your the conversation flow. And now you have to find the conversation builder, the flow editor. This is what I mean. This section, this section right here, there's analytics, inbox, it flows. The inbox, it shows your conversation, and here it is. Now let's go back to the flow. Okay. And now we have reached this part, and there, message type, press it, and then you go to Telegram, add content, and then let's go text, and then type a message. Okay, sorry, I'm having a hard time. Okay, let's see. Hi, how may I assist you today? Wrong spelling. Assist you. Alright guys, after how many trials and errors, we have now come to this. And see, if you have seen, I renamed it Start. I added a button and renamed it Start. And after pressing the Start, this is where you add actions. What do you want from it? Okay, let's go. Okay. after all of that, you press the publish button, and now it's published. Okay, so after a series of trial and error, as it did not work, then I went to here in the settings to ensure there, and I went to channels, I went to Telegram, then for the welcome message I switched to the one I made, and here with the persistent menu I also added description and the command